Hey there, quick review on this Best Choice Products Gravity Rise chair. This thing is really nice. As you can see, I've got it reclined right now and I've got the sun straight up in the sky. It's kind of bothering me, so I can actually just flip up this sunshade and adjust it right here. So now the sun is not coming down right in my face. I've got my head in the shade now, so I can look forward comfortably. Even without sunglasses, it's not bothering me. Really nice feature. That's fully adjustable, so you can get the sun out of your face whenever you want and just fold it back down whenever you don't want to use it. You'll also notice there is a pillow on here, and you can adjust that up and down, forward and backward, based on whatever position you're in. That works really well. It's comfortable. You don't have to take it off whenever you're sitting straight up, and it's very nice to have whenever you want to lean back. Just keeps everything in a comfortable position. Sitting down in the chair and tilting it back with the gravity rise function is really easy. You're just going to put some pressure on your feet, push it forward and it'll rock back, push it down and it'll come back down. Now there are also two knobs here so that whenever you tilt back, if you want to be able to lean forward without the chair coming down, you can lock it in place by twisting these two knobs here and here, and that will lock it in place so that it's not going to come down accidentally. The chair also comes with a really nice cup holder that is detachable, slides right in place very easily if you want to use it or don't want to use it. Nice spot for 2 drinks, your phone, keys, whatever else you want to put in there, a book. Nice size accessory there. The materials on this are excellent quality. It's going to hold up really well outside, and it's got these nice bungee cords going all the way around the perimeter. Gives it some nice flex so it conforms to your body whenever you sit down. And then it's got an outdoor material that's really nice, and it also is kind of a mesh type netting material, so you get some airflow, so you're not going to get hot sitting on this. I'll give you one more close-up look of the sunshade here. So you can see it hangs across the back. Then you can just simply flip it up, and then it actually bends down, and you can adjust it that way. And just flip it back over. That's a really nice feature. This also folds up really nicely, so whenever you want to take it with you in a vehicle to the beach, wherever, ball games, it's going to work great for that. And it's really easy to fold out, and it's ready to go in just a matter of seconds. You can fold it back up again, and if you want to leave it like this so it doesn't come apart, go ahead and twist these knobs whenever you are moving this around, and that'll help keep it from opening up accidentally. Overall, really nice chair, well built, great materials, and I love the folding sunshade. Makes it a great value. I'd recommend it.